Hey, how's it going, everybody? So in this video we're going to be talking about a frequently asked question I keep getting about the Humvees, and that is, where do I find my parts for these? So the quick and easy answer is there's three main places where I find my parts. So probably the most popular place that I get my parts is actually on eBay. So on eBay there's a bunch of sellers selling like new old stock for these Humvees. So pretty much exactly how we buy our Humvees, like through government auctions, there's also auctions for like lots of parts. So there's these certain websites where you can go and buy like a lot of 100 miscellaneous Humvee parts, and they could be anything. So what a lot of these guys do and companies do is they'll go ahead and bid on these lots of parts, and they'll throw them up on eBay. So they're all like new old stock from the military, unissued stuff. So there's a ton of parts like that up on eBay. For example, a couple days ago I went and bought a new pitman arm for the Humvee that I've been working on, and I'll go over to eBay, search on the search bar Humvee pitman arm, and then I'll find a bunch of listings for pitman arms. And a cool thing about eBay is you could actually go to the sold listings under filters, and you can see like the average price that some of these have been selling for. So that'll help you kind of determine like what you're going to be paying for one of these parts, which is pretty cool. So place number two is actually some of these Facebook groups. So if you don't know, there's actually a bunch of Humvee groups on Facebook where it's like Hmmwv Owners, or I'll show you guys some of the main groups that I follow on there that are very helpful, not only for finding parts, but for like helping determine issues on your Humvee. Sometimes I'll have a question that I can't figure out, or like a problem that I can't figure out, and I'll just make a posting on there, and within an hour I'll have like 50 people commenting, and there's a lot of really knowledgeable people out there that give really good advice. Also, you can even find good deals on Humvees there. Most of the Humvees that people sell on there are already on the road and titled and stuff like that. So, but yeah, Facebook, some of these groups, for example, I recently bought 24 bolt rims for my Humvee on through a Facebook group, and you could either search like just search in the Facebook group Humvee rims or Humvee whatever part you're looking for, and most of the time you'll find something. But I was looking for something that's close by, so I didn't have to go pay for shipping or anything like that. For example, like the rims, I didn't want to pay for shipping on the rims because that would be a lot. So I just made a post like saying looking for 24 bolt Humvee rims in Central Florida, and within like an hour or so I found a guy. He commented on my post and said, hey, I got some, I'm about an hour away. So stuff like that, like bigger parts, I usually go to these Facebook pages. And then the third place, which is like, this is my last resort, I'll usually go to a website called Hummer Parts Guy, and he has some of the stuff that's like harder to find. For example, I had to replace the bearings on one of my geared hubs for my Humvee, so I was searching all over the internet. I couldn't really find too much, and then this Hummer Parts Guy, he had the entire kit with all the seals and all that stuff. So he might be a little bit more expensive, but if you can't find a part anywhere, that's the guy to go to. So there's also a couple more places which are like aftermarket parts, and I'll show you some of those later. But like off the top of my head, there's like Midwest Military Equipment, Predator Motorsports, or Bullet Motorsports. They make like, for example, light bar mounts for the Humvee, or like custom grills and stuff like that. So
thanks for watching, everyone. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you know exactly when I'm posting. Some of the next upcoming videos are pretty cool. We have the review and install video of a Midwest Military light bar mount for your Humvee, and then we're going to be painting the inside and outside of a Humvee with Raptor liner. So that's going to be pretty awesome. Don't forget to check that out. See you guys in the next one.